Breaking news just coming in at the moment. Deshmukh to request top court for speedy hearing of his plea seeking protection from any coercive action by the Enforcement Directorate. This is coming in after Anil Deshmukh's lawyer informed that the former Maharashtra Home Minister is not going to be appearing before the Enforcement Directorate today. Remember, Deshmukh was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate for the third time today, asking him to appear for questioning in the extortion and money laundering case. Meanwhile, India Today has learnt that ED will oppose Deshmukh's plea in the Supreme Court. Vidya is now joining us live for the latest on this. Vidya, what's going on as far as the Anil Deshmukh saga is concerned? Spate of allegations against him. He skips the ED summons for the third time. He's asked to appear before the ED, and now what is coming in is that he's going to be requesting the Supreme Court for a speedy hearing of his plea, and this is for protection from any coercive action again by the Enforcement Directorate.
Well, that is exactly what he has been seeking, protection from coercive action. Remember, he had filed a similar petition against the CBI action. The CBI had registered a case against him after the Bombay High Court order. So against that, seeking that there should not be any coercive action, he had approached the Bombay High Court. He has not been granted any relief, so to say, as of now. And which is the reason why against this ED action now he's again approached the Supreme Court, where, and he in a letter, 8-page letter that he has given to the ED officials right here, his lawyer Inderpal Singh is inside for the last 1 hour. He has been inside, giving his entire reply to the Enforcement Directorate. In that 8-page reply, Anil Deshmukh has very categorically said that he fears that this entire investigation is not bona fide, it is biased, and which is the reason why he feels that this entire outcome of the Supreme Court order should be waited for, and that's one of the reasons why they are here. The lawyer is inside for the past 1 hour. We're really waiting to see exactly what's going inside, because the Enforcement Directorate has clearly said that they will oppose his plea in the Supreme Court. But what is the plan ahead? Whether they will send him a fourth summon, whether they will really go ahead and take before the Supreme Court hearing, whether they will go ahead for Anil Deshmukh. All this is something that the Enforcement Directorate will be strategizing for the next couple of hours, and we'll really get to know what their step of action, what are they planning to do now.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details right there. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh will not appear before the Enforcement Directorate today in connection with the money laundering case. In reply to the Enforcement Directorate, Anil Deshmukh has expressed shock over the depiction of events that had occurred from 25th of June onwards. He said that he is suffering from various comorbidities, including hypertension, and hence will not be able to meet them in person. Deshmukh has also claimed that he had sought the details of the charges against him from the agencies, but did not receive any response or details as yet. Earlier on Sunday, Deshmukh had approached the Supreme Court seeking protection from any coercive action by the central agency in the money laundering case. ED has also summoned former Maharashtra Home Minister's son, Hrishikesh Deshmukh, in connection with this case.